Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's Double Knitted Brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the Blip-Free right-leaning double decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche. Inverted because I'm working where I'm creating the knit stitches with my pearl coloured yarn and the pearl stitches with my knit coloured yarn. And I've already worked the setup in the previous row or round for this one. So I can now work the right-leaning double decrease over the top. I've worked back to the point where I've got my 3 adjacent knit stitches under their 1 shared yarn over, followed by my 3 adjacent pearl stitches under their 1 shared yarn over, and because I'm working in inverted mode, both of my yarns are at the back of the work over the top of the right needle. Step 1 is using your pearl coloured yarn, knit the 3 adjacent knit stitches with their shared yarn over together. So making sure the needle goes into all 4 of those strands together and knit them together with the pearl coloured yarn. Step 2, bring both of the yarns to the front of the work, coming between the 2 needles. And then I'm going to, leaving my knit coloured yarn at the front, I'm going to take the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work over the top of the right needle. Slip 1 stitch with the shared yarn over, knitwise from the left needle to the right. So just one of the stitches and the shared yarn over gets slipped like that. Then I'm going to, using the left needle, I'm going to slip the shared yarn over, also knitwise from the right needle to the left, leaving that stitch alone. Then I'm going to slip the second stitch with the shared yarn over, knitwise from the left needle to the right, and then repeat with the yarn over going knitwise from the right needle to the left. And then I'm going to slip the third stitch with the shared yarn over, knitwise again from the left needle to the right. Now I can slip all 3 stitches with their shared yarn over purlwise back from the right needle to the left, just like that, making sure I keep that pearl coloured yarn over the top of the right needle. Now using my knit coloured yarn, I'm going to purl all 3 stitches with the shared yarn over together through the back legs. So that means taking the tip of the right needle round behind all 4 strands and coming into them towards me from back to front like so. Then I can purl all 3 together with my knit coloured yarn. It's important that as I complete the stitch and slip those off, that I maintain the position of that pearl coloured yarn going over the top of the right hand needle. Then I finish everything off by taking the knit coloured yarn to the back of the work as well. As you can see here on the front of the work, I've got these 3 columns of blue knit stitches coming together very neatly and blip free at the top there. There's no brown blips getting in the way there, and the left stitch is on the top, so that's making it lean over to the right. Turn it over and the reverse is true. My 3 columns of brown stitches come together leaning over to the left, and that's all there is to it. That's the Blip-Free right leaning double decrease with setup in inverted double knitted brioche. Zip!